Hi all. Um, Welcome to my very organic impromptu demo. So yesterday I was listening to a podcast, which I will link to in the description of this video, that was discussing accessibility overlays and their impact on accessibility, both from a community perspective. So, are they actually furthering the cause of accessibility by automating it and, in theory, making more sites accessible? And what kind of user experience do they create? Um, I won't talk about in this video whether the results are conform to a standard or not. Other people have documented that in excruciating detail, and I don't need to go over that again. I also wanted to respond to one of the points that came up, and I actually agree, that is that, you know, you can have a site that technically conforms to standards, but does not have a great user experience. So in Ontario, where I am, the law requires that all private sector organizations with more than 20 employees and all public sector organizations have sites that conform to web content accessibility guidelines, well, in our case, version 2.0 at level AA as of January of this year. Um, Couple of disclaimers. I do not work for an accessibility consulting company. I work at a large financial institution. I do work in accessibility, but not for a consulting company. Um, so I thought what I would do is go through a test of doing a fairly normal user transaction and purchasing something with no accessibility overlay, just with the regular site. And then I will go through the same process with the accessibility overlay turned on. And as I go through it, I will talk and explain my strategies for getting through the site and what we will talk about what the user experience is like, both before and after. So I'm using NVDA for this test for a couple of reasons. One, it's my primary screen reader. Um, so for this particular demo, I am only going to talk about, with this particular accessibility overlay, the screen reader mode, because I'm blind and I can't probably comment fairly on the other overlay options for various disabilities. Um, for example, if there's highlighting of text or preventing of flashes, etc. I can't observe those accurately. So I will refrain from commenting on things I don't know about or can't experience. Um, like I said, I'm using NVDA for this test because it's my primary screen reader and because the other major screen reader for Windows, JAWS, sometimes in an attempt to be of assistance to users, will do things like guess at form field labels based on proximity and things if they aren't coded correctly. And because I'm trying to do an organic test, I wanted to use something that won't try and do that. NVDA tends to conform more closely to exactly what's programmed. So if a field label isn't programmed correctly, you won't get a label. um, This is a raw organic thing. I don't have the video editing skills to make this look nice. So we're going to just muddle through and post it raw and see how we make out. So I'm going to share my screen. I want to.
Meeting controls window.
I should be sharing my screen and my audio.
Mute. Audio. Stop video. Alt.
Okay, so it's on. All right, so let's get into it. So this laptop that I bought is fairly new, and one of the coolest things to have would be a Thunderbolt dock, so that when I bring it home, I can plug in one cable into the Thunderbolt and have all a keyboard, etc. That's all set up and ready to go and just stays plugged in, and an extra charger and monitors for the odd occasion when I actually use them. Well, I never do, but sometimes I want to show my kids something or something like that. So let's have at it. So the site I'm going to use is Belkin. So and just for clarification, it'll say this, but I'm using Microsoft Edge, which is the default browser in Windows 10. And this is not that it matters, but a Lenovo X1 Carbon Gen 4 or whatever. It's a nice small little laptop that I quite like, actually. Anyway, and hopefully my camera shutter's open. I think it is. But let's have at it. So I slowed down my speech rate.
Rate 70.
Yeah, I did already. I slowed down my speech rate to what I find almost intolerable, but I want this video to be understood by regular humans, not people who have their speech at like super speed, like I mostly do. So let's
Run
go to
dialog. Type the name.
Belkin and see what we can find for Thunderbolt docks so that I can have a easy hookup when I bring this laptop home from trips.
.belkin.m desktop untitled personal Microsoft Edge window. Document busy blank. Document busy blank. Still loading.
We'll wait for the page to load.
Loading complete. Belkin discover MagSafe chargers for iPhone 12. Clickable skip links region link skip to content. Link skip to menu. Link skip to footer out of region. Main landmark header menu navigation landmark list with 3 out of list skip links region link skip to content. Link skip to content. Link skip to menu.
Okay, so the first thing I land on is you know what? This is
link out link log visited link $0. Visited link 0 items. Out of list main menu navigation landmark clickable list with 5 items collapse submenu link products.
It's interesting. I didn't get the cookie modal, I guess because I had been here before. Anyway, it's okay. So the very first thing I land on is a skip to content link. Let's see what
out of list skip links link skip to content.
See what that actually does.
Main landmark carousel region free true wireless earbuds heading level 1 link.
Oh, so it actually does take me to a carousel.
Link with every link button previous button net list with 4
but
items.
I don't want to play with the carousel, so I'm going to go back
out
to the
of
top
list out of
and see if there's a search thing.
Link main landmark search landmark I'm looking for edit required invalid entry I'm looking for.
I don't know that I would have put a main landmark on search, but that's okay. So
search
I'm
landmark
for
tape A U D D T A U D R B O T O K. Loading page. Thunderbolt dock.
So I typed what I wanted and pressed enter. So now
link
let's
still
see
loading.
What we get. It's still loading. We'll wait and see.
Loading complete.
Slow.
Skip links region links link skip links visited link 0 items out of main menu navigation landmark click out of button search breadcrumbs navigation landmark out of list not what you were looking for heading level 151 search results for Thunderbolt dock.
Okay, so that's good. They have an H1 on the search results. That's helpful.
Not what you were looking for.
It
search
was
again.
What I was looking for. So let's drill into the results. And I'm just down arrowing here. I'm just going through the
search
page.
land button graph search by product name heading level 4 product results 25.
Product results 25. Okay. So let's keep arrowing down and see what ones we find.
Link graphic prod image. Link heading level 2 Thunderbolt trademark 2 Express Dock HD Dual 4K 10 Gbps.
All right, so HD Dual 4K. I probably don't need that. Well, I'm sure it's cool. 4K isn't very useful for me, so we'll not buy that one because it's probably it's crazy expensive.
Link Thunderbolt 2 Express Dock HD Dual 4K, link details, link Thunderbolt, link graphic prod image. Link heading level 3 Thunderbolt Trademark 3 Dock Pro. Link clickable 3.9 out of 5 stars. Link details. Link Thunderbolt Trademark 3 Dock Pro for Mac and PC Belkin. Visited link graphic prod image. Visited link heading level 3 Thunderbolt Trademark 3 Dock Plus.
Okay, let's look at that one.
Loading page. Thunderbolt Trademark 3 Dock Plus for MacBook Pro and PC Belkin. Main landmark still loading.
I don't know why the internet's being slow, but
loading
okay.
complete. Skip links region.
All right, so let's see if they have a heading. They seem to have made at least okay use of headings here so far. So I'm going to press H.
Main landmark Thunderbolt Trademark 3 Dock Plus heading level 1.
Okay, so they're doing that well. They have a H1 at the beginning of their sort of main content. It seems to be consistent, which is helpful.
F4U109TT. Collapsed link 4.3 out of 5 stars. Read reviews for average rating value is 4.3 of 5. Read 33 reviews same page.
All right, so it's telling me that the review section is collapsed, area collapsed, which is useful. So they've obviously put some effort into accessibility here.
Collapsed link.
Collapsed link. That doesn't tell me much. It's some other area collapsed region, but we don't know what it is.
Button write a review.
Well, I don't own one yet, so I can't write a review.
Button ask a question.
I don't want to ask
$249.99.
Okay, that's not an unreasonable price.
Link buy now. Link find a reseller.
But I want to read.
Button Thunderbolt Trademark 3 Dock Plus.
Read the description a bit.
Graphic Belkin Thunderbolt. Graphic high performing. Instant workstation. Heading level 2 the instant workstation.
Okay, so there's an H2 at the beginning of the product
Fast,
description. That's
ultra
useful.
high definition, powerful, and now even more versatile. Meet the new wave of Thunderbolt 3 docks. The benefits and convenience of Thunderbolt 3 technology to both Mac and Windows laptops. With 40 Gbps. Transfer rates, star 60W power to charge your connected laptop, dual 4K 60Hz monitor support and multiple ports for peripherals. Simply connect the dock to your Mac or Windows laptop, with the included Thunderbolt 3 cable, to create a high-performing. This product is TAA compliant for use in a wide range of government applications. Link learn more about Thunderbolt compatibility with M1 based MacBooks, 2020.
I think they mean MacBooks.
More about with M-based MacBooks ACBOOKS space.
Oh, okay, it's just a screen reader oddness.
Link new window. Link new window.
Okay, link new window isn't very helpful. It doesn't tell me much of anything.
To see what else Thunderbolt has to offer, check out Link our comprehensive guide to Thunderbolt. Link technology. Link new window. Graphic Belkin Thunderbolt 3 Dock Plus and Thunderbolt 3 cable guaranteed quality for lasting performance. Graphic and durability. Heading level 2 the Belkin difference. List with 6 items.
And then we'll go on. So, all right, let's say, I'm not going to go into too much detail, but let's say, yeah, I want to get this.
Find a resell. Buy now link.
Buy now.
Loading page. Belkin shopping cart. Main landmark link text dot skip to content. Still loading. Loading complete.
All right, so
skip links region link skip to footer. Link skip to content.
I'm going to see if they're consistent, and my H1 should take me.
Main landmark shopping cart heading level. List with 2 items. List with 4 items. Product price quantity subtotal.
Product price quantity subtotal. It looks like maybe they're meant to be like table headers, but they're not. I'm just guessing. I don't know visually what it looks like, but to have
out of
in
list
a
with
string,
2 items. List with 4 items. Product price quantity subtotal.
Product price quantity subtotal. It looks like it. This is, I'm like I say guessing, but it looks like this might be laid out as a table. But it's
out of list link graphic Thunderbolt not in a table cell.
It's not a table.
Link Thunderbolt trademark F4U10 in stock. Item price 200. Quantity edit 2.
I don't know why. Quantity 2. I don't want 2.
Main landmark.
So let's
1.
Update
1
my
2
quantity.
1 2.
Oh, let's not
blank.
have 12.
1. Loading page. Update. Belkin shopping cart. Main landmark list with still loading.
Okay, that's a bit of a fail. It updates on blur, so it
Loading
updates
complete.
not when I actually press the update button, but as soon as I tab out of the um, quantity field, which is a bit odd. That's not what I would do, but that's what they've done. All right,
Out of list
so
skip
let's
links reach main
go back
landmark
to my
shopping cart
heading.
list out of list link thunder F4U1009 in stock. Item price 204 quantity edit 1.
Okay, now my quantity is 1. That's what I wanted.
Update. Link. Link save to wish list. Link. Link remove. 200 and out of list promo code. Link new window.
Another link new window that we don't doesn't have a description, so that link doesn't have a description.
Link 404 page not found. Enter promo code link
Oh,
404.
that's interesting. Link 404 page not found. That's kind of a fail. Not just an accessibility fail. That's just sloppy. Anyway, whatever. We'll
Enter
continue.
promo code edit.
Okay, I don't have a promo code, so
Button
we'll keep.
apply. Order subtotal be 200. Link continue shopping. Link shop wireless. Button checkout graphic Visa MasterCard American Express.
Okay, so I found a checkout button that says checkout graphic Visa MasterCard American Express. It's a bit of an odd alt text for a checkout button, but
Link button checkout graphic Visa MasterCard American Express.
yeah. So they've put an alt text, which I guess it seems odd that you would put the card types on your alt text for your checkout button. But anyway, we'll
Loading
proceed
page.
and see how we do.
Belkin checkout login page. Main landmark link text dot skip to con. Still loading. Loading complete. Skip links
Again,
region
let's
main
just do my
landmark
head.
checkout heading registered and social users. Well, radio button checkout with social account.
I don't feel like creating an account, so I'm going to check out with a social account.
Heading level 2 quick checkout. Registered and social users. Welcome back. Radio button checkout with social account.
Okay, so it's checked.
Radio button not checkout with my Belkin account.
I don't have one, so we won't check that button.
Clickable button Twitter. Clickable button LinkedIn. Clickable button Twitter.
All right, let's try and check out with Twitter. Let's see what happens.
Untitled personal micro main landmark. Username or email edit required blank. 1 2 3 password edit star forgot pass sign in button. New notification. Belkin checkout login page person main landmark. Pop-up dialog. First name edit read only Brian.
Okay, so presumably it's pulling info. Pop-up dialog. Is this a modal or is this like normal page? It's kind of hard to tell.
Last name edit read only more. johnsmith@email.com edit johnsmith@email.com blank. johnsmith@email.com edit johnsmith@email.com blank.
Okay, so the label for the email field is actually a placeholder text, which I wouldn't have done. From experience, I can gather this is an email field. So we'll put an email.
R E 5874 at gl. Email checkbox checked.
Again, email checkbox checked, but I don't know what. So let's see if I can figure that out.
John Smith at email. John Smith checkbox checked email join our mailing list. Optional.
Okay, so that checkbox doesn't have a proper label. The label is just email.
John checkbox checked email join our John Smith email checkbox checked.
Yeah, so when I tabbed it, when the field gains focus, the label is just email, which is not correct because what it's actually asking about is, do you want to join our mailing list?
Not checked.
I don't want to.
Submit button submit.
Okay, submit. Let's see where we go.
Loading page. Belkin checkout page. Main landmark link text dot skip to link text dot more support heading level 5.
All right.
Loading complete.
Oh, okay, I should have.
Link skip to content.
And I'm gonna
main landmark secure checkout head visited link 1. Visited link shipment / pickup location. Shipment 1 item. At Thunderbolt trademark quantity 1 separator. Shipping address. First name edit. Last name edit. We do not ship to APO F address line 1 edit. Address city edit. State country combo box collapsed United States zips edit. Phone number edit. Checkbox not check save shipping address button submit button next link to.
All right, so
skip links region links.
Let's see how they did with their field labels.
Main landmark search landmark. I'm looking for edit. First name edit. Main landmark. First name edit. First. Last name. Address line 1 edit. Address line 2. Optional. Edit address. City edit city. State combo box Alabama collapse. Country combo box unite. Expand. Canada 1 of 2. Country combo box Canada collapsed.
Let's see if this one changed to province.
State combo box Alberta collapsed.
Yes. Well, they still call it state, but lots of places do that.
Country, zip / postal code edit zip, phone number blank, save shipping address checkbox not checked, submit button.
Okay, so I'm not actually going to do that because I'm not smart enough to edit out my contact info. So it's not bad. It's not a bad experience. There are some accessibility fails and bits that if I was just sort of your average screen reader user, I might struggle to get through, but it's doable. They've done some good stuff, like they seem to consistently have a H1 at the beginning of their main content on each page of the process. They have skip links. So now I'm going to close my browser.
Return to meeting button.
And
schedule button. Return to meeting button.
Go back to the same site and do the same thing, but this time I'm going to turn on the accessibility overlay. And let's see what the experience is like.
Run dialog dot EKIN dot M desktop untitled personal Microsoft Edge window. Document busy blank. Document busy blank. Still loading. Loading complete. Belkin Discover MagSafe chart.
All right, so I know that in order to turn on the screen reader mode, I have to press Alt-1. That's interesting.
Clickable skip links region. Link skip to links. Link skip to content. T. Out of region button open accessibility options. Main landmark link graphic United States current region button open accessibility adjustments.
I'm
button
going to
close.
make sure the screen reader is on.
Change accessibility interface position button. Accessibility statement button. English button. Reset settings button. Statement button. Hide interface button. Search the online. Hide statement button. Reset settings button.
Let's
loading
reset
page. Belkin Discover MagSafe chargers for iPhone 12. Still loading. Loading complete. Clickable button. Use website in a screen reader mode.
Okay, so now now that I reset it, at the very top there's a button. Very first item
use,
in the top
button
of
use,
page.
skip
page
out of
order.
region button. Use website in a screen reader mode.
Button use website in a screen reader mode. So let's do that. I'll press enter on that button and let's see what happens.
Skip links region link skip to link skip to content. Link skip to menu. Link skip to footer. Out of region main landmark header menu navigation landmark list with 3 items link free ground shipping on all orders over $50. Details. Link login / sign up. Visited link $0. Visited link 0 items. Out of list visited link current page Belkin Discover MagSafe chargers for iPhone 12. Main menu navigation landmark clickable list with 5 items collapse submenu link products. Clickable collapse submenu link solutions.
Okay, so this is interesting. On my first pass at this site, these nav menus at the top for products.
Clickable collapse submenu link business.
Did not indicate ARIA expanded or collapsed, which they do now. So that's actually a good
out of
thing.
list
but
visited.
let's open
main menu
one.
navigation landmark clickable list with 5 items collapse submenu link expanded.
All right, so it's cool. It's telling me that the products menu is expanded.
Submenu region visited link current page are innovations. Button next. Button are innovations. List with 4 items link sound form trademark elite hi-fi smart speaker plus wireless charger. Link 3-in-1 wireless charger with MagSafe. Link MagSafe 3-in-1 link car vent mount button. Out of list visited link current page offers. Button next. Button offers. List with 4 items link sale. Link exclusive deal. Link certified.
Okay, so the products menu actually seems to work properly with this accessibility overlay, which it did not.
link
without
out, but visit out of list, visited
but I'm
link
going to
current page
collapse
Belkin
it.
discover visited link $0 visited link 0 items out of list, visited link current page Belkin discover MagSafe chargers for iPhone 12 main menu navigation landmark clickable list with 5 items expanded sub menu link collapsed.
Okay, so I collapsed the products menu again, but I'm going to do what I did before. I'm going to search for Thunderbolt docks. So I'm going to go to
Out
the
of
top
list,
of the
skip
page,
links region.
and I'm going to press E to see if I can get to the search field immediately.
Main landmark search landmark. I'm looking for edit required search landmark table. I'm looking for edit required invalid entry. I'm looking for blank.
Now, it didn't say that before, so it's saying I'm looking for edit required invalid entry blank. So there's ARIA properties in this that didn't exist before. So there's ARIA required, there's a validation check, and somewhere in there it's a table, but we won't worry about that. So let's do this.
TAUNDERBONT No
Type
search
what I want.
results. No search results. No search results.
Okay, so that's interesting. Before, as I typed, nothing happened. Now, as I type, it's saying no search results. Now, I know there's search results because when I did it before, it found things. But let's see, maybe I misspelt it. Let's see.
THUNDERBOLT blank.
I
No
did
search
not.
results.
So it's saying no search results, which is erroneous, I suspect. But let's press enter and
Loading page.
see what happens.
Thunderbolt loading complete.
Okay, loading complete.
Clickable
So
skip links region.
I'm going to do my they had H1s at the beginning of their main content. So let's see if that's still true.
Main landmark 51 search results for Thunderbolt dock heading level.
Okay, so as I was typing in the search field, it said there were no search results, but in fact, as I experienced without the accessibility overlay, there were 51. Presumably the same 51 because I'm searching on the same site. All right, so let's
heading level link graphic prod
go
image
to the
heading
okay,
link search landmark heading level 4 product results 25.
Product results 25, which is the same as before, except
heading level 4 product result.
It's an H4 now. I thought it was an H2 before.
Button in not what heading level 151 search results for Thunderbolt dock. Not what you were looking for. Search landmark button enlarge. Button graphic ideographic comma ideographic comma ideographic comma ideographic comma.
I have no idea what that button is.
Search by product name, SKU, or keywords. Edit required invalid entry. Search by product name, SKU, or keywords. Heading level 4 product results 25.
Okay, so now the product results are in H4. That's a bit odd. Okay, anyway.
Link graphic prod image.
Link graphic prod image. So there's a product image that has no alt text, but it's not creating an alt text.
Link heading level 2 Thunderbolt trademark 2 Express Dock HD Dual 4K, 10 Gbps. Link clickable 2.6 out of 5 stars. Link details. Link Thunderbolt 2 Express Dock H. Link graphic prod image. Link heading level 3 Thunderbolt. Link clickable. Link details. Link Thunderbolt. Visited link graphic prod image. Visited link clickable 4 point. Visited link heading level 3 Thunderbolt trademark 3 dock plus. Loading page.
Product.
Thunderbolt trademark 3 dock plus for MacBook Pro and PC Belkin. Main still loading. Loading complete.
All right,
skip
so
links.
I'm going to go to my heading.
Main landmark Thunderbolt trademark 3 dock F4U109 collapsed link 4.3 out of 5 stars. Read reviews for average rating value is 4.3 of 5. Read collapsed link.
So the collapsed this other link that before we couldn't identify is still unidentifiable. It's still saying area collapsed link, but we don't know what it goes to.
Button write a review.
Well, again, I can't write
Button ask a question. 249 link buy now. Link find a resell. Button Thunderbolt trademark graphic Belkin Thunderbolt 3 dock plus connecting multiple devices at a workstation. Create a graphic high performing instant workstation.
Now, from what I remember, that
graphic Belkin
this graphic did not have alt text before.
Graphic Belkin Thunderbolt 3 dock plus connecting multiple devices at a workstation. Create a
So yeah, the accessibility overlay is adding alt text to this image. And in this case, I presume it's a fairly accurate description. That's what they do, these Thunderbolt docks. So let's see.
Heading level
We'll
2, the
keep going.
instant workstation.
Yes, the product description was an H2 before.
Fast, ultra high definition, powerful, and now even more versatile. Transfer, multiple, included. This product is TAA compliant. Link new window. Link learn more about Thunderbolt compatibility with link new window.
Okay, so some of these links are still the same. This link new window is still link new window.
To see what else Thunderbolt has to offer, link technology. Link new window.
Another link
Graphic
new
Belkin
window.
Thunderbolt 3 Dock Plus and Thunderbolt 3 cable guaranteed quality for lasting performance.
Okay, so that alt text is the same.
Graphic and durability. Heading level 2, the Belkin difference. List with 6 items. Bullet Pioneer.
All right, so we won't keep going, but let's go through the cart process. Let's see how that works.
Find a buy now link.
Buy now.
Loading page. Loading page. Belkin shopping cart. Main landmark link text. Skip to content. Still loading. Loading complete. Skip links. Region links. Main landmark shopping cart. Heading level 1. List with 2 items. List with 4 items. Product price quantity subtotal. Out of list link. Graphic Thunderbolt 3 doc.
So that's still the same. Product price.
Out of list link. List with 4 items. Product price quantity subtotal.
Product price quantity subtotal is still just a list, an L. It's actually an unordered list, but I think visually it's meant to be a table. Like I say, I'm guessing about that, but that has not changed.
Out link Thunderbolt trademark 3 doc plus F4U109TT. In stock.
Number,
item pro 200 quantity edit 2.
I don't know why it keeps insisting on 2 as a quantity. I don't want 2, I want 1.
Blank 1.
So I change it to 1, and if I tap,
loading page,
it still does the same thing. It updates the field on blur.
Belkin shopping cart. Still loading.
Not what I would do. Sloppy, but whatever. We'll leave that alone.
Loading complete. Clickable skip link. Main landmark shopping list. Out of link F in 200 and quantity edit. Update. Quantity edit 1. Update link. Link save to wish link. Link save to wish link. Link remove link.
Link remove, like, so there's
link.
An empty link.
Link save to wish list.
A link save to wish list.
Link.
Another empty link.
Link remove.
Link remove.
204 out of list promo code. Link new window.
Again, link new window.
Link 404 page not found.
Again, it says 404 page not found, which is a bit odd.
Enter promo code edit.
I don't have one.
Button apply. Order subtotal before discount / promotions. 204. Link continue shopping. Link shop wire. Button checkout graphic Visa MasterCard American Express.
Okay, so the alt text for the checkout button hasn't changed. It's still Visa MasterCard American Express.
Loading page. Belkin checkout login page. Main landmark link text. Skip to con. Still loading. Loading complete. Skip links region link skip to content. Links out of region main landmark header menu navigation landmark list with 3 items link free ground shipping on all orders over $50. Details.
Oh, that's interesting. So there's a main landmark on this.
Out of region main landmark header menu navigation landmark list with 3 items link free ground ship.
Header menu navigation what? There's a lot of area here.
Out of region main landmark header menu navigation landmark list with 3 items link free ground shipping on all orders over $50. Details.
Free ground shipping on overs over $50. I don't know that that would be a main landmark, and it was not.
Link login / sign up. Visit out of list
anyway,
visited. Skip links region link main landmark checkout heading level 2 quick checkout. Registered and social users. Radio button check checkout. Radio button not check. Clickable button Twitter. Clickable button click.
So this clickable button to be Twitter. Much the same.
Opening new tab. Main landmark. Username or email edit required blank. E1 3 password edit. Star. Forgot pass. Sign in button. New notification. Belkin checkout login. Loading page. Belkin checkout page. Main landmark link text. Skip to content. Link text. Skip links region out. Visited link 1. Visited link discover mags of secure. Loading complete. Zoomed out 90%.
Oops.
Zoomed in 100%. Skip links region. Main landmark secured. Visited link 1. Visited link shipment / pickup location. Shipment 1 item. At Thunderbolt trick quantity separator shipping address first name edit first name
All right, so
main
let's see
landmark
how we do
first
here.
name edit first name blank
Oh, so now it's reading me the fields twice.
last name edit last name blank first name edit first name blank
Now, is it actually first name? No, it's just
blank
duplicating a field label. So it's um, not particularly helpful.
last name edit last name blank
So yeah, now it's taking what was actually a perfectly functional field label and duplicating it.
address line 1 edit address line 1 blank address line 2 optional edit address line 2 optional blank city edit city blank state combo box Alabama collapse country combo box United States
Let's
expect
change that
Canada
to Canada.
Canada 1 country combo box Canada collapsed state combo box Alberta collapsed city edit city state zip slash phone number edit phone number save shipping address checkbox not checked submit button
Wait, where's email?
address last first name one shipment breadcrumbs navigate home visited link one
Oh,
last
oh yeah,
name
right.
edit
It knows that from
address
Twitter.
city state combo box country zip slash phone number edit phone number blank save ship submit next button submit button next button loading page
I didn't
Belkin
fill that
checkout
out. So
page
let's see
main
what it does
landmark
for
link text
errors.
dot skip to content link still loading loading complete skip links region main landmark secure checkout heading level 1 visited link current page 1 visited link current page shipment slash pickup location visited link current page 1 visited link current page shipment slash pickup location shipment 1 item Thunderbolt quantity separator shipping address first name edit last name edit we do address line we do not ship to APO F address line edit address city address city
Okay, so
main
I didn't
landmark
fill it out.
city edit city blank
All right, so I'm
last
gonna
name edit first name
let's see. I'm curious. How does this handle error identification? Now, in fairness, I did not try this without the accessibility overlay. So
last name first name edit first name blank B last name E address line 1 edit address line 1 blank 1 2 3 M T address line city edit city blank state combo box Alberta Ontario country combo box Canada zip slash postal code at M 4 C 5 A 2 phone number edit phone number blank 4 6 dash 5 9 dash 8 2 8 3 save shipping address checkbox submit button
no, that's not valid data, but let's see. It's close enough that it might work.
loading page Belkin checkout page main landmark odal still loading list with 2 items item price 200 loading complete
Let's
clickable
go to
button
my head.
remove button
Wait, what?
remove button heading left button remove
Wait a minute. The very first thing in my DOM is a remove button. Remove what?
heading button remove heading level 3 address verification button remove
Remove what?
button heading level 3 address verification heading level 4 verify your address heading level 4 we suggest you accept one of the following changes to your address list with 3 items 23550 Main Street West St Paul R4A5A2 Canada out of list heading level 4 or keep your original address button list with out of list button use this address
Sure. Doesn't
processing the
that?
data please give it a few seconds alert Belkin checkout page main landmark link text successful operation alert main landmark link text dot skip to content link text dot skip to navigation
Okay, so it said successful operation, but then it said alert, but then it just read the content. So I'm not sure what I'm being alerted about.
out of list skip links region link skip to content main landmark secure checkout visited link 1 visited link shipments visited link 2 visited link Belkin checkout shipment Thunderbolt quantity shipping at Brian Moore 4 separate shipment delivery method combo box collapse standard can shipment deliver button next link 3
I'm not going to proceed because, like I said,
link payment and billing address link 4 link final review link Belkin checkout order summary list with Brian 2341 link 200 link thunder item price quantity out of list shipping order subtotal before discount / 200 delivery free tax $30 total $279 heading level 5 more support page menu link returns and
all right. So I'm not going to actually finish this order because I don't, like I said, have the video skills to edit out my credit card, etc. and that's not my real address. So this was just a raw organic demo, but a couple of observations. So the issues I had with actually going through the flow were actually a bit worse with the accessibility overlay on. Um, there were strange alt text buttons that didn't seem, they were not at all clear what they did. The field labels on the checkout were duplicated. Um, and any of the issues in the actual reading of the content, like empty links that had no text, or expanded collapsed area sections that didn't tell you what they were not remediated at all. There were a couple of extra headings, and the search results gave erroneous data when I typed in the search field. So my conclusion from this short demo, and it's anecdotal, of course, it's not conclusive, is that actually turning on an accessibility overlay provided a worse user experience than not having it on. Now, the site not having it on was not great. It had some accessibility failures, and I think some of the things might have been a struggle for your average screen reader user, but I was able to complete the process in both cases. But I actually had a better experience without the accessibility overlay. Generally, that has been my experience, that I have not encountered a instance where I couldn't, it blocked me from proceeding. But I have also never encountered an instance where having an accessibility overlay on gave me a better experience and generally gave me a worse user experience. So this is purely anecdotal. Like I said, it was just a let's go try to do something. So I think we're not, we're not accomplishing our goal here. If the goal is to make the web a more accessible place, we're not achieving that. I would welcome comments or feedback. You can tweet me at bmore123 or comment below. I will put this up on YouTube. And welcome to actual real instance feedback.
Zoom row 1 column 2, meeting control, video settings, secure, open, more option, new share, pause share, annotate button, more drop, dock to bottom, stop share, mute, audio set, stop video, alt, videos, security drop, open participant, more options, new share, pause share, alt plus T, annotate button, more drop, dock to bottom, stop share.
Okay, let's stop the share and let's see if I can stop the recording.